Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save layout in Trade Tiger. So the app typically remembers your last used indicators automatically, but you can force some setups. So right now I'm at the Apple chart right here, and I will click here next to the Y, M, Q and Y timeline. I will click on the settings. Okay, so from here at the top you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. So I will tap into the 5 option indicators, and right here you will see main chart and sub chart. So main chart is right here with these candles, and the sub chart right over here is with this volume that you see right now. Okay, so how we can force a little bit what will be shown when we close and open the app. So here at this pop-up window, I will tap into the settings, and now I'm in the main chart indicator. So if I select all of them, now I have enabled them that I can choose whatever I want to be shown. So if I select BPX, for example, and that one, okay, so like so, it will show here, as you can see on the chart, PBX and OBV at the sub chart. So sub chart is um, more adjustable. As you can see, I can add more of them. On the chart, you just can have a one at the time. So maybe I will leave that one and I will close that one, for example. At the chart, you see that it's only one, but it remembers which one you selected the last time. So if I go by EMEA like that, now I have four EMA options right here that I can track which line is where the candle is touching these lines. So this is basically it, how you can save layout. Basically it's automatically, but you can set up them as you wish, and as you set up it will save and will be ready for the next one. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.